Let's take a look here now at the Google Search and Google Keep scenario 1. In his driver's education class, Rafael wants his students to research and take notes from 3 sources that discuss highway safety. He instructs the students to use Google Search to find the resources. When they find the resources, students are to save the links and take notes in Google Keep. When they begin to write their research paper in Google Docs, they can open Google Keep in the side panel and add their notes directly to the doc to jumpstart their writing. The resource links are there too, so they can easily cite their sources. So as a student, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Google Doc that the teacher has provided me with. And I'm going to open up another new tab to do some quick research here for highway safety. And I'm going to go ahead and open up this link right here. And we'll open up this article. And let's, for argument's sake, pretend like this is some information that I want to use for my research. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'll open up another new tab here. And we're going to open our waffle. We'll open up Google Keep. So right here, I'm going to take a note. And we're going to call this one, let's say, highway safety source 1. I'm going to paste those notes that I found. I'm going to go back to this source here. I'm going to copy the link because I want to have that available later. So I'm going to add that to the note and click close. So now I have my highway safety source 1. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process one more time. Back to my search results. And let's say that I'm going to use this one right here. Let's go to the redcross.org and see what they have to say about highway safety. So in this case here, here's some good tips right here. I'm going to use that, copy it, go to Google Keep, and we'll call this highway safety source 2. Paste that in there. I'm going to also grab the link and add that to my notes as well. Pin to the top, so it always sees the top of Google Keep. So I have 2 sources here. The assignment is for 3, but we're going to do 2 sources for argument's sake. So now that I've done my research, when I come over here to my side panel, if you don't see it open there, there's a little arrow right here. You click on there, it pops open. Google Keep is the second one that you see here. And as you'll see once this loads up, here are my highway safety sources. So if I want to use the notes that I took here from this article and use it to jumpstart my writing, I can click here the 3 dots, hit add to document, and now it gives me all those notes right here that I can use to start writing. I can paraphrase, I can use it to go down here and start writing. And when it comes time for me to cite my sources, I have the link right here ready to go when I begin the citation process. So this in a nutshell is an example of how I can use Google Search, Google Keep, and Google Docs all together to do a research project.